Not every product is taxed the same way. Depending on your location and the type of products you sell, some items may be taxed at a lower rate while others may be completely tax-exempt. If Shopify's default tax settings don't match your requirements, you can create manual tax overrides for specific products. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to set up manual tax overrides in Shopify, even if you're completely new to the platform. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside, scroll down and click on Settings in the bottom left corner. From the Settings menu, select Taxes and Duties. This section contains all the tax settings for your store, including registrations, tax regions, and overrides. Before creating a tax override, it's important to understand when you might need one. For example, certain food products, books, digital goods, or medical items may have special tax rates depending on your country or state. In some cases, specific products may not be taxable at all. Always verify your local tax regulations or consult a tax professional before making changes. Inside the Taxes and Duties section, locate the country or region where you want to create the override. Click on the tax settings for that region. Depending on your store's location and tax registrations, you'll see options related to product categories, tax calculations, and overrides. Look for an option labeled Add Tax Override, Add Product Override, or similar wording. Click this option to begin creating a new override. Shopify will ask you to select the products or collections that should receive special tax treatment. You can choose individual products one by one, or you can select an entire collection if multiple products share identical tax requirements. Using collections can save a lot of time, especially if you sell many products that share identical tax requirements. After selecting the products, you'll need to specify the override details. Depending on your region, Shopify may allow you to enter a custom tax rate, reduce the existing tax rate, or mark products as tax-exempt. For example, if local regulations require a reduced tax rate of 5% instead of the standard rate, enter the appropriate value in the override settings. Once you've entered the correct tax information, click Save. The override will now apply automatically whenever customers purchase those products in the selected region. It's also important to review your individual product settings. Go to Products and open one of the affected items. In the Pricing section, make sure the option Charge Tax on this product is enabled if the product should still be taxed at a special rate. If the product is entirely tax-exempt, follow your local regulations and configure the product settings accordingly. After creating your override, thoroughly test your checkout process. Add the affected products to your cart and proceed through checkout using addresses from the applicable tax regions. Confirm that the correct tax amount appears before making your store live. If you're selling internationally, remember that tax rules can vary significantly between countries and even states or provinces. You may need to create multiple overrides for different regions to remain compliant. Finally, review your tax settings regularly. Tax laws change over time, and outdated overrides could result in incorrect tax collection. So to quickly recap, go to Settings, open Taxes and Duties, locate the appropriate tax region, create a tax override, select the affected products or collections, enter the correct tax rate, save your changes, and test everything thoroughly. Manual tax overrides help ensure that your store collects the correct amount of tax for specialized products. I hope this tutorial helped you set up manual tax overrides for specific products in Shopify. If it did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more Shopify tutorials, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.